Good morning, guys. What's going on? It's really early. I'm like not ready for this right now. Today we are hitting the river and doing some steelhead fishing. So we're honestly just gonna hop right into this, and I don't know what to expect for today, but I think it's gonna go well. So this is pretty much like the first time we're actually getting out steelhead fishing in a while. So hopefully today's gonna be good. I'm excited. And we're gonna get right into this, guys. So this is Jordan from Tentline TV, and we will see you guys on the river. Gotta make that quick little gas stop, and then we're gonna officially be on the road.
I'll go stand out in the middle of the river and I won't move, and I'll just pick up fish.
All right, we're gonna get suited up real quick. We're getting right into this. Wow. I think today's gonna be a good day, bro. I'm feeling good about it. I'm feeling good. Alrighty, so we're gonna try drifting today. Normally I swing flies, but it's really cold today. I don't feel like getting my hands like freezing from fly line. And I'm just being kind of lazy, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna be using this drift setup, and we're gonna see what we can get into. I've never even fished this river before, so this should be interesting. But I mean, it's nice out, so we're gonna pretty much see what happens. And yeah, I don't know. It's been about a solid 2-3 hours. This morning, not so hot, but I mean, it was cold. Things are finally starting to warm up, so hopefully we run into something good here. There's a fish. There we go. Yep. Heck yeah, first one, there we go. He's really chill, man. He's relaxed. Bring him on up here. All right, first fish. I'm hyped. Can you see that? I could pull a screen grab from that.
Yeah, I got you.
So just let him go. Nice, dude. Fish. Got another one. Yeah, it's a good one. Oh yeah, it feels good. Easy, girl. Yeah, dude, this guy, he don't want to move. Look at this thing. Look at him go. Oh my God, dude. Oh my God, I forgot how much I love this. Dude, I cannot. Look at this. Heads up. Oh my gosh, dude. The funny thing is that it may not even be a big fish. Unless he's foul hooked. That's the only other reason I can think of him fighting this way. He's coming in. Is he foul hooked? Well, there you go. That's the reason. I was gonna say. Whoops. Yeah, that's a good, yeah, that's exactly why he's fighting so hard. I was gonna say, I'm like, either he's huge or he's foul hooked. Man, that's a bummer. I feel bad, but it's still a good fish, I guess. Yeah, he must have swiped at it and kicked right into it. All right, there we go. Second one of the day. I'll take it. Solid fish. Heck yeah, dude. Sorry I snagged you, bro. So update right now. It's freezing cold. I caught 2 fish. Well, I technically caught one. Kind of foul hooked the other one. Well, no, I definitely foul hooked the other one. Unintentional, but it happened. And yeah, so we're just out here getting it done. I don't really know what to say. I got nothing to say other than the bites slow down. It's probably mid-afternoon right now. Not really sure how long we're gonna be out here for. This whole trip was like last minute. We got out here late, but it's been a good day so far. So 2 fish, that's an awesome day already. So I have my buddy with me right now. He knows the stuff by the back, like the back of his hand, and it's funny that he hasn't caught anything. It's just blowing my mind. So I don't know, we're gonna keep at it, see what happens. We're catching fish, and hopefully we get into some more.
Okay.
I was trying to, you know, go pack up because we're heading out for the day, and Corey just hooked one, but Corey's all the way down there. So I'm gonna throw on a zoom lens, see if I can get that real quick, and then we're gonna recap the day. So. Okay, so day recap right now. We're home, obviously, we're off the river, and yeah, it was a super successful day. I can't complain at all. You know, I haven't got out and got to do some steelhead fishing in a long time, and usually I fly fish, but today I just wanted to focus on catching fish. So, you know, I just drifted with my buddy, and you know, we really didn't focus too much on like the whole video aspect of it, so I apologize for that, but I mainly just focused on just getting out there and fishing with my good buddy. I don't get to see him too often since he's at school, and overall it was just a great day. So he caught like 4, I think, said and done, and I caught 2. But yeah, man, hey, we got out there, we caught fish. It's been a while since I've got to link up with fish because of the weather. So now that the rivers are normal, we're gonna try and hit the steelhead a little bit until, you know, the bass pick up a little bit. But yeah, I don't know, that's about all I got for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and maybe we'll have a follow-up to this for tomorrow. I don't really know what's going on. So if you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, and other than that, stay tuned for the next video. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.